Hello and welcome to How to Play Turnover Bridge. The game is played with 2 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. Each player is dealt 26 cards. The first 12 cards to each player are laid out face down. The next 12 cards are placed on top of the face down cards. The final 2 cards are dealt to each player's hand. These cards can be looked at by the player. The object of the game is to win tricks. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card wins the trick. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. Spades are always the trump suit. This means any spade suited card will outrank any other suited card. The non-dealer is first to play a card to the first trick. Players can play any face-up card or a card from their hand. Clyde leads the Queen of Hearts. Play moves to Bonnie, who is required to play a card in the same suit that was led if possible. Bonnie can play a face-up card or a card from her hand. Bonnie follows suit by playing the 3 of Hearts. Clyde wins the trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. When a face-up card is played, the face-down card left is turned face-up after the trick. The player that won the last trick will lead the next trick. Clyde leads the next trick with the King of Hearts. Bonnie follows suit with the 5 of Hearts. Clyde wins the trick with the higher ranking card. Players will continue to play 2 tricks until all cards have been played. The first player to win 14 tricks wins the game. If both players win 13 tricks, the game ends in a tie. If a player cannot follow the lead suit, they can play any card. A trick is won by the highest ranking spade-suited card. If no spade-suited card was played, the trick is won by the player with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. That wraps up How to Play Turnover Bridge. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.